many people may not be aware of it, but one of the biggest energy projects in the world is in Papua. And we put up a solar panel and many solar panels in 9 different villages. And it caused all kinds of trouble. Starting with, we put them up, but we didn't have the capacity to train people to make sure they worked, make sure that they understood. The first thing that happened is local traders came through and they stripped all the copper out and they took the batteries, and that was the end of the solar panels.
Yeah.
The next thing that happened is we also put in our water system in all these villages. Well, they couldn't keep the solar panels operating when they needed the water, and that created all kinds of fights in the village about who gets the water and how these things were going to be done. Well, then we started fixing some of those problems, and then we created social problems because now all of a sudden it was the kids who knew how to keep the solar panels running and keep the water system running, and the elders were not at all happy about that. Not at all happy about that. Now, the reason I'm saying that is you are right in what the direction you're going in. But as Sherry was pointing out, these are really complicated social problems when you go and you start doing this sort of thing. And it's surprising how few groups of people actually think about it as, I'm not putting up a solar panel, I'm creating a social movement. And the whole thing has to work, or no part of it